In the ever-intense world of Formula One, even a pause on the team radio can spark a media frenzy. Every word exchanged, or not exchanged, between a driver and engineer is dissected for clues, tension, or cracks in team dynamics. But when it involves a 7-time world champion adapting to life inside Ferrari's scarlet walls, speculation multiplies tenfold. Last weekend in Monaco was no exception. Lewis Hamilton, the iconic British motorsport figure, drew headlines not for an overtake or a qualifying lap, but for a curious exchange with his Ferrari race engineer, Riccardo Adami. Broadcast team radios captured Hamilton questioning the lack of updates during the race and later asking if Adami was mad at me or something. The silence that followed ignited a firestorm of analysis. But heading into the Spanish Grand Prix, Hamilton has spoken directly and sharply to put an end to the rumors. "There's a lot of speculation. Most of it is lies," he said bluntly. "Our relationship is great. We're always learning about each other and adapting our working styles. There's absolutely no problem between us." Hamilton was quick to defend Adami's credentials, noting his work with former Ferrari drivers Sebastian Vettel and Carlos Sainz and his long experience at Toro Rosso with names like Daniel Ricciardo and Sebastian Buemi. "He's a fantastic guy and works really hard. Yes, we don't always get everything right every weekend, but that's normal," Hamilton explained. "People have disagreements in every relationship. What matters is how you work through them, and we do." According to Hamilton, any confusion during the Monaco GP was simply due to technical issues. "There were areas where we had radio problems. I didn't get all the information I wanted during the race, but we sat down and talked it through afterward," he revealed. Far from showing division, Hamilton insisted that both he and Adami are united in one goal, bringing a championship title to Ferrari. "We're in this together. We want to win together, and that's what we're focused on. All the outside noise doesn't matter." So what do you think? Was this just a typical miscommunication in a high-pressure environment, or is there something deeper going on behind Ferrari's closed garage doors? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to hit subscribe for more exclusive F1 coverage and behind-the-scenes insights from the paddock.